Hopefully this works. Okay, so yeah, so getting ready to check out the hotel. Yesterday was the last day of Sunshine PHP, so I figured I would just kind of give a recap of everything. And so yeah, here we go. So as part of I have like some notes and things here, so make sure I don't miss anything. So part of being a developer advocate at Nexmo/Vonage is that I get to attend conferences and speak with developers who use our products, or maybe haven't used it and how they can use it. And so I'm here at Sunshine PHP 2020. It's the 8th year, and just a disclaimer: Adam, who's the organizer for Sunshine PHP, he actually works with me at Nexmo/Vonage. He's our AWS cloud advocate, and so shouts to Adam. He's been putting in a lot of work, and it was an amazing time. So, all right, the Sunshine PHP, it's held at the Embassy Suites by Hilton, which is close to the Miami International Airport. It's a very nice hotel. I dig it. It's similar to other Hilton hotels that have like a large atrium in the middle of it. And I took a couple of 360 photos of my room, and also like a video of 360 video walking around the 5th floor. So that's on my site, so you can check that out. So I got in Thursday, which is when all the workshops begin. I registered and found where our table was, and set up. Our banner and promotional materials are already there waiting for me, so that was cool. So after setting up, I did some networking, and then after that, it was time for the speakers dinner. And so no, I'm not a speaker, but I'm lucky enough to know some people in high places. So again, shouts to Adam. So yeah, so we all got on a bus and then went out to Versailles for some awesome Cuban food, and yeah, came back full and sleepy. So that was cool. So that was Thursday. Friday is the first official day of Sunshine PHP, and it was busy. It was so many people. Like the room that we're in, it felt like a science fair. I'm not familiar if people know about, I don't know if people still do science fairs, but it was cool where all the different conference attendees would come and just kind of like make their way around all the different tables for the exhibitors. And so when they got to our table, it was cool being able to hear like the projects that they're working on. So which is kind of amazing. Like PHP powers a lot of cool things. And asked, have you ever used our products? And if not, ways that they could maybe incorporate it into their project. So it was cool being able to brainstorm and, talk with the developers and really come up with like a plan and how we can help them with it. So I really enjoyed that part. What else? Also, it also helped that Sunshine PHP, they kind of like gamified the whole visiting the exhibitors, because if they got stamps from all the exhibitors, they were able to get the Sunshine PHP Elephant conference for this conference this year. And that's like the most prized possession. So everybody wants to get the Sunshine PHP Elephant. And yeah, it was great. So again, shouts to the Sunshine PHP and everybody that helped out. So yeah, so I was pretty much busy holding down the table the whole day, because again, it was a lot of people. But I was able to kind of sneak away for a couple of minutes to attend my other coworker, Chris, who was giving a presentation. And so he's like really well known in the PHP community, and like he's written books and stuff. So I work with some awesome people, so it's pretty cool to be able to learn from them. And yeah, alrighty. I'm hoping the camera doesn't shut off, because it shut off on me before, so I'm speaking quickly. So hopefully you can hear me. All right, so now Saturday rolls around, yesterday, and in addition to holding down the Vonage Nexmo table, I got the opportunity to be able to co-host a live stream that Adam set up on his Beachcast show that he has on Twitch. And it showcased additional content for people that couldn't make it. All right, so I think this cut off on me again, so I'm gonna make this quick. So yes, so my part of the supplemental live stream on Beachcast was to interview some of the, interview some of the speakers like right after their talk. So they would give their talks, they would come to our room, and we would do a brief interview for the people on the live stream. And so, it was awesome. It was really fun to be able to like talk with like a lot of these people are like doing some really cool things, and they got to present what they were working on. So there was like product announcements and new like innovations in PHP, and it was pretty cool to see what everybody got to present. And so I just want huge shouts and thanks to Hani for being an amazing co-host and helping me work through doing the interview. So you made it super easy. So I appreciate you. Thank you very much. And yeah, so I guess I'll finish the video by taking a look at some of the goodies that I got at the conference. But since I was so busy at our table, I wasn't able to really check out all the exhibitors. But this is kind of like what I got. So. Alrighty, so here's the bag that I got when I registered. So really nice. Shouts to Nexmo and Vonage right there. Notice right there. Nice. Okay, so let's see. Here's the badge that I wore pretty much for the whole conference. So there's that. Cool. Let's see. Oh, this. So here's all the information on what was happening at the conference, like a little synopsis of all the different talks. So that was handy to be able to see. And also, like I was saying, there's the atrium there that I did a 360 video of. And so yeah, and a schedule. So that's handy. And then here is the bingo card that I was talking about. So people would come by and we would stamp them when they ever came by our tables. And so that was really cool. So that was a really good idea to kind of get people involved. Here is some promotional material about Scout APM. Cool. I didn't get to visit their table because, again, I was super busy. So here is Ringo. He is the mascot for the folks at Ring Central. And yeah, real cute. So shout out to the folks at Ring Central. Really nice people. Thanks for everything. Really appreciate it. Everything. Here, Stress Ball from Ranger Technical Resources. They're like a firm that hired developers, like a recruitment firm here in South Florida. So I think it was Fort Lauderdale, I believe. Let's see what else. Oh, okay. So yeah, all this stuff here. Shouts to DigitalOcean. So Sammy. I believe the shark is named Sammy. It's the DigitalOcean mascot, and so like a little stress ball. That's pretty cool. They have some pretty amazing swag. Like, so there's this 8-bit Sammy. It's a pin. I don't know if you can see that. The lighting is bad, but it's a little pin. That was cool. And they had all these stickers. So this was pretty cool. That one there, like a little steampunk thing. That one. A little unicorn drawing, that's pretty awesome. Like a gator one, I think that is, and like an x-ray one. So that was cool. What else I got here? Yeah, so SymphonyCast gave out these tissues because, yeah, you will probably get sick at a conference. So there's that. Let's see what else. Some other promotional materials. So this is from Drupal. All right, cool. Cyber Physical Systems Virtual Organization. Yes. What is this? Oh, and okay. Refresherin. So that's cool. All right. Also, what is this? Zend. I got a sticker from Zend, so that's cool. Zend Frameworks. SiteGround was also there. They had a really cool booth too. So I didn't get to visit it, but they were across from us, and they got some pretty cool stuff. So nice. What else? Got some other stickers here. Of course, got to represent Nexmo. Nice little Nexmo sticker. Nice. Another SiteGround like sticker. Cool. And then a couple of Laravel News stickers. So that's cool. Nice. All right, and last but not least, got a pretty cool t-shirt. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You had me at hello world. That is awesome. So yeah, so that's pretty much all. Well, all the things that I got. There was so much more. And if you were able to go, let me know what you got and what you liked. And yeah, I think that's going to be it. So again, appreciate watching the video. And yeah, so I have a bunch of conferences coming up. So I'm looking to maybe do these every time. So I'm just going to try and get better at it. And because that's part of the job is being able to speak. So hopefully this will help. And I'm going to stop rambling before the camera shuts off on me again. So cool. Thanks. And you can check out my websites for more. And yeah, I think that's going to be it. Cool. Next time. See ya. Bye. If you ever see me in a conference or anything, feel free to say hi and what's up and, nerd out about some code. All right. Thanks.